EPUB is the abbreviation for electronic publication. It is a file format for publishing books and other types of content in a reflowable fashion. This means that the content can adapt itself to fit the available screen space. All time we can't use epub format. Some other formats also needed. Calibre is one of such software for changing ink format to PDF, PDB, Docx text file, zip file and HTML. First open Calibre and you see on the top add book option, click on it. To add the epub format books, then click on the convert book. You will see pop-up bar which ask about input format, always shown as epub. And on the right hand side output format, in which you can choose different output format which are in need, then click on the OK to initiate the process. You will see job option on right bottom. When it shows 0, then it indication for the file transfer is complete. Then open Documents and Books can see our specified book format in Calibre. In Calibre you add delete books and you can study books which are in epub format. Thank you for watching video and subscribe for more.